Hi everybody, Diane here, and we are on this holiday, kind of long holiday weekend. And during this weekend, I made a great new recipe. And of course, I put a tea infusion into it. This is a recipe which I will have in under Show More. If you click there, I'll give you the original Pioneer Woman recipe, and then our recipe with the tea infusion. So just watch, we'll go through this pretty quick, and then I'll be back to say goodbye. Okay everyone, set the oven here for 350, and then take a roll of crescent rolls package and put a slice of Granny Smith apple. We're using one Granny Smith apple sliced into 8 pieces, and I'm going to roll these up, put them in a pre-buttered or oiled pan. And so let me roll those up, and then we'll do the other 4. Alright, so I have the first 4 in the pan, and I got the next 4 ready to roll up, and that will be the 5th one will go here, and then 3 along the side. Alright, so there are the little apple dumplings now. The apple slices inside the crescent rolls already in the pan, and next we will take a half a cup of melted butter and 6 ounces of sugar, and we're going to put the sugar right into the butter, and then when that's all in, what you want to do is just barely stir it through, and I'll show you what we do next. Okay, I have just stirred the sugar into the butter so that it's all the way through, and now I'm going to add half a capful or half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then when you add that vanilla, then you're going to stir that thoroughly, and I'll show you what comes after we do that. Alright, now that it's all stirred in, the vanilla and the sugar, we pour the butter mixture right over the top of these dumplings. Alright, the sugar, butter, and vanilla mixture is distributed evenly, and now here comes the last step. This is 6 ounces of an infusion that I'm using, Cinnamon Plum, and I'll have those links in the Show More. And this is a wonderful, very cinnamony, lovely, fruity infusion. And now that is ready to go. Normally I would sprinkle cinnamon over the top, but we're not going to because there's so much cinnamon already in the Cinnamon Plum. Now we'll put this in the oven, and this will come out in 40 minutes, and it's absolutely beautiful, and we'll show that to you. Alright everybody, they just came out of the oven, and will you look at this beautiful pan of apple dumplings. Now let's get some vanilla ice cream, let them cool a bit, and let's taste it. Alright, there it is, vanilla bean ice cream and 2 apple dumplings. Let's take it into the hub and see what he thinks. Okay, there's mine, and I drizzle a little of the apple filling over the ice cream. I have to try to film this myself and eat it, so I'll just do it right here on the stove in the kitchen. Alright, sorry about this. I've got to zero in again. Okay, we got some. Let's try it. Oh, yum. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you're having a lovely Thanksgiving weekend. So next week we are going to, well actually not this coming week, but the next week, we plan to go out to the desert in Arizona and meet with a lady that I met through another YouTube video. I haven't met her in person, but we've been corresponding for a while. And I'm going to be taking some tea out to her, and you're going to see a fascinating lady and a fascinating story. So stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, and share, and be sure to tell your tea curious or tea loving friends about our channel. Thanks again. Bye for now.